All right, let's talk about putting together some frames. I'm putting together medium frames. When they're done, they should look a little bit like this. This one has wax, and I have another video on how to wax your frames. But the frames are pretty simple. We got the top bar, we got the sides, I forget exactly what they're called, and then the bottom. But let's start off with this. I have 7. I normally do 5, but I'm gonna do, well, let's do 5. That makes more sense. So I got 5 here. I like to do 5 at a time. And I've got these top bars upside down. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drip some glue all over here. And you might say, oh no, some of the glue's dripping through. Yep, that's exactly what I want it to do. That way it's dripping down the edges here. So I'm gonna do the same on this side. Now I've seen videos where people put these frames together and they can put together 60 of them in 60 minutes. That's not me. Although I think this is a relatively fast way to do it. So now I've got these sidebars, and the sidebars are self-explanatory. They've got a wide end that goes towards the top. And by the way, I'm assembling these frames upside down. And then the small end on the bottom. Actually, when I do this, I typically do one side all together because I'm very much right-handed. And then I flip them like that. And when I put these things in, they get right down into the glue, and that's what I want. I want them to get down there into the glue. Great. We got them halfway assembled. One of the things I like to do now is I like to put the foundation in. So I use a plastic foundation, and it comes pre-waxed. Let me show you. This comes pre-waxed. I, however, don't think there's enough wax on it. And when I give them to my bees, they build some wonky comb all over it, which is why I add another layer of wax to these. But anyway, this is the time-consuming part. I like to put these things in before I put in the bottom piece. And from here on out, I'm gonna do just one frame at a time. So there's a little slot, stick that into one frame, and then grab my glue, put some glue right along, oh, I shut my glue. Put some glue right along here. Notice it's on the walls, so there's like some vertical pieces there, and I want it to drip right along those vertical pieces. Take a look, there's a channel in here, and it takes a little finagling, but you want to get the foundation inside that channel. All right, we're not done, but we're kind of done. And I usually use a paper towel to wipe up any glue spots. So I'll get a paper towel and wipe up all the glue spots at the end. Oh, this one came apart when I flipped it upside down. All right, there we go. So let's do that for the rest of these. All right, so here's my 5 frames. I actually did the last one. I left it blank on the inside on purpose. The reason why I did that is a lot of people build their frames and then put the foundation in. I'm gonna give that a try. In the past, I found I'm just not very good at it that way, but I'm gonna try it one more time because putting in the foundation really is the part that slows everything down. Now what you're gonna wanna make sure you have is like a pneumatic staple gun of some sorts. I've got, I need some more staples in here. These are probably, I don't know, they're either 1¼ or 1½ inch crown staples. And now I'm gonna staple, since they're already upside down, I'm gonna make sure that this goes straight up and down its level so the staple doesn't come out this way or come down that way. You wanna make sure it's straight up and down. And then, pow, there you go. So you can go right along the edge here. There, now I have the bottom part. I have the bottom part all set up. We're gonna flip these things over. And we're gonna start stapling these one by one. I suppose I could staple them all in a row. Let's give that a try. And again, I'm gonna go straight from the bottom in here into the little sidebar, straight up and down. Now here's a step that a lot of people don't do that I think is necessary, and the thing is, whenever you're prying one of these things out, right, there's a lot of propolis all over it, and then you're gonna be using a lever to lift up on here, and sometimes the top bar just separates from everything else, right? And that staple sometimes is not enough to hold everything in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive a staple in right here, and it's going to go right into the bottom part of this top bar. So drive a staple in right there as high as I can. This part you got to be a little bit careful. Make sure your hands are not there when you're stapling it. All right, so I got a staple right there. I'm going to set this one aside. All right, so remember, this is the one that I put together without foundation. A lot of beekeepers, they'll put it together like this, and then they'll slap in the foundation afterwards. I struggle with that, but let's give it a try. And sometimes when I've done that, like I've popped these things off. So we're going to give it a try, and maybe I'm better at this than I used to be. I don't know. All right, so I slid it in that groove right down here first, and now I got to bend it to fit in the groove that's found right here at the bottom. So let's see if I can do that. All right, there we go. That wasn't too bad. I think we're all set. Might have a little bit of glue to wipe off here. But otherwise, that's how to put together some frames. Only have like 100 more to go.